Review Hub.
Brand name, CDOK. Model number, A1 Ultra. CDOK model, A1 Ultra. Power source, dry battery. Smart home platform, Tuya. Material, plastic. Power supply, dry battery. Suitable for mortise, 4585. Installation method, punch-free installation. Fit door thickness, 28 to 80 millimeters. Included components, screw bag. Special features, support gateway. Doorknob function, biometric, key and keypad. Connectivity, Bluetooth, Zigbee. Ways to unlock, app, Bluetooth, password, fingerprint. Handle direction, direction reversible. Suitable door type, steel door, wooden door, glass door, brass door, stainless steel door, other. Finish type, other. High concerned chemical, none. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Origin, mainland China.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.